నమస్తే గాయస్, దిస్ ఇస్ సాగర్ అనిల్. ఈరోజు మన పైసా సోదరుని తీసుకుని వచ్చినాం ఇంటర్వ్యూకి. సో అన్ని ఇంటర్వ్యూలు రొటీన్, మనం కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ గా ఆలోచిద్దాం. ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేద్దాం మనని. సో డిఫరెంట్ కొంచెం ఇంగ్లీష్ లోనే స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. హాయ్ గాయస్, దిస్ ఇస్ సాగర్ అనిల్. ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ సోను. Let's do interview, English interview. Some dialogues, some powerful 90 dialogues, love story dialogues, some singing dialogues. So introduce yourself, Anna.
Hello guys, I am your Taiko Tono. I am from Motiti. Follow me to Instagram, Taiko Tono 307.
How going your life, Anna?
My life is going like a Instagram and with my friend, with my family, everyone, which equal. My life is going to equal, not in up, not in down, going middle is my life.
Middle, going your middle life.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell you more your life. What's your hairstyle? Hairstyle means
I like my fashion. I like my hairstyle first. Hairstyle is important first. If you are looking me, come to my hairstyle. When my hairstyle is looking nice, then only my face also looking nice. When my hairstyle is not looking nice, my face also how much is there nice, that much dirty will having.
okay. What you do process to your hairstyle do like model?
My bottle is nothing. My bottle is nothing. Actually, I not keep oil. I will keep Dove shampoo and container. 5 rupees shampoo that is. I will keep that and I will do recovery to my hair.
Okay, tell you about your this stick.
This okay. This is like a Tamil fashion. I like Tamil guys.
Which Tamil fashion you want? Which?
I like Tamil guys like they all do like folk songs, dance, and they all hairstyle. They all like a tipper. Tamil guys is very style guys.
See someone they will put in tattoos here. You put in tattoos here. Why?
Yes.
Explain.
This is called as 59 tattoo. Hello my dear girl. You like only fucking. I like to fuck with you like 59 shot. Like you know na. 59 bolte angle.
Yes, I want to ask something. You are Muslim, Hindu,
I am Hindu.
but what is this?
Just I said na, I like to the Tamil guy. Not only I am, even everyone are saying like this only style, like the video like that.
Only
Public is like a video.
Style purpose. You are
Yeah.
Hindu. Jai Shri Ram.
Yeah, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram. Hare Mahadeva Chembo Chenkara. Jai Kalika Mata. Jai Kalika Mata.
Someone asking what is this for you are Muslim.
Okay.
You want to tell me Jai Shri Ram. This
Jai
is
Shri Ram, I will say in front of my whole territory, so many people say Muslim. In front of them, I will say Jai Shri Ram. They will say Salam Alaikum.
So you want to clarity. This one. This only passion.
Yeah. This is only fashion event. Everyone also will know.
Tell me about your dress style, hairstyle, chopal.
Yeah. That style only.
How much cost? Daily what your purpose to your dress? Rate?
Cost is nothing, bro. Bihar beach. In lower side also having branded. In the shopping mall side also having branded. But shopping mall side is having full cost. Outside brand also having low cost because they are keeping outside. They are keeping inside the shop. That's why low cost is high cost. Everything is equal, but dressing style is everything.
Okay, tell me, Sonu model, sir, what purpose you are doing Instagram videos? Which purpose?
I am Instagram and doing this purpose about me, what happened in my life before and now what I am learned this many days in public that I am doing.
Okay, Sonu model, sir, you want one powerful $90.
Huh?
Powerful $90.
Powerful dialogue.
Yes, with English.
Hello guys, you thinking moral, not you think moral. You are then better than me. I am the moral. Get to know my name, Taiko Tono. Yes.
Sir, the recent time you do one little starting Johnny Johnny yes Papa video.
Yes.
Just one time that dialogue, please. With me, your fans, with you.
Yeah. Tingle ఇచ్చి సార్ తిన్నది నిజం చెప్పాలి. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్. ఓకే ఏం చెప్పి కాంతే తెలుగు లాంగ్వేజ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్.
Telugu also say Telugu. You say.
Nothing but already I said, but that dialogue only I am saving to everyone. That's why I am from country over.
Bro, you tell whatever your trollings, vulgarity trollings, bad comments.
Yeah.
What you told? Explain, sir.
I am nothing. I am told. Your comment that is option is yours. You can do bad comment. I don't care. I am care also. I will do for you bad comment. That time you will be silent in comment. While you are doing comment, like that I am put you. You can fall down. You want to see? You come here and see.
Yes. Okay, so you have eaten food. Morning breakfast.
Not need and put morning breakfast.
What you eat? What you eat morning breakfast?
I want to eat a bonda, oda, dosa, chocolapa.
Uchappa.
Yeah.
Vadappa.
Yeah, chocolapa.
Vadappa. Okay, so model.
Chocolapa is famous in Goa and Bombay.
Okay, Sonu model. In Hyderabad, famous food.
Hyderabad is famous food, Bhavati chicken biryani, pita out biryani. Very nice. Very nice pita out biryani in my own side, Taminar.
Okay, picture house biryani. Okay, done. What's your more going in your life? What want to do? More Instagram, the movies.
I want to do only reels. I want to do only make videos. I want to do enjoy with my friends and with my brothers. But my family is saying about yourself because you going up. You want to do job something because your money is safety for you. My family is saying, but I will think that also later.
Which job you are doing? Software job? Which job you are doing? Which
Before I did a software job.
Income, please. Your job, your income. What you explain?
Job I will do software job even no problem. Already I have 4 years experience certificate. I did only 1 year work. My sir did a 4 years experience certificate when I was lockdown.
Okay, you are doing nice videos. Very nice videos.
Yeah.
But someone talking about your vulgarity, bad words.
Yeah, no problem. Because of him, he is dating. Maybe he is dating. Okay, that dialogue, he is dating because he is also one tappe time something. But he is liking, but showing like he hating. When I am coming in front of him, he will only like me.
Okay, are you proud of the India you are born?
Yeah, I am proud of my India. I am proud of my Hyderabad also.
Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Which language you will speak?
I will speak English and Telugu. Hindi, some words I will speak. Only that, not Malayalam, not Tamil, nothing.
Hindi, Telugu.
Mother tongue is important. Only first Telugu. I will speak wherever I can go. I can speak Telugu only. You can understand or not understand, but I will do understand with my Telugu language.
Some people ask your fan, Sonu model sir, I want to one movie dialogue.
One movie dialogue.
Which
Okay. Actually, I am not see any movies. Actually, I will see only Allu Arjun movies. But
I never like Allu Arjun.
yeah, I like Allu Arjun a lot.
Why?
Why I like because he is styling sir Allu Arjun. When I watch childhood time I am seeing in a television when this Allu Arjun movie, that time I don't know who is he. That time Allu Arjun was wearing a short and doing some movie. That movie name is love movie. That is Allu Arjun is saying that
Arya.
Arya not Gangotri. Yeah, Gangotri movie that is. Gangoti movie is very nice movie. That time I asked my mom, who is Kid? I asked, Kid Allu Arjun. Right, that time I'm what? Allu Arjun, Allu Arjun, Allu Arjun, Allu Arjun, Allu Arjun only my mind. Pushpa 2 movie is super. We are waiting for part 3. Pushpa.
Okay, Sonu Madam sir, you tell one word about the love.
One word about love. Love is the name, give the name, pay the game. That's it. No more.
No more.
Yeah.
You will pick up in morning. Go. What you do morning?
Modeling. I will do what I am. You only say. Maybe later you only say.
What you go bathroom, food, eat.
Huh?
In morning ఏం చేస్తావు ఇంకెలా మార్నింగ్ what you will do?
I am do modeling meaning everyone will know na. We do like in the tape catwalk. Already I have certificates.
Chicken.
Everything. Modeling meaning everything.
Okay, you have drinking problem, anything?
A drinking problem is nothing. If I want to drink, I can drink 24/7. If I not want to drink, I cannot drink. If I have money, not have money, I can drink with my friend support, with my brother support. Yeah.
Okay, model, bro. You like this song, no? Anyone road inside in the roadside, anyone you beaten you?
No, never. Only this guy is talking like this because everyone will say, I know everyone will stay in front of the Lord. You are a child, awesome. You looking awesome. Everyone will say, now also I am coming in the Rapido car, traffic side, we will chopping the car. Everyone is saying, to awesome. Where you did color? I want this color. They are saying me.
They are asking. Okay, so say, tell some about betting apps.
Betting app is nothing, bro. Don't want to believe others. Once upon a time, betting tap is real tap. But nowadays, because of this lockdown, because of this lockdown, everyone will give it this betting tap and a cam everything.
Okay, bro, tell me about what you do corona time in 2 months holiday.
Yeah, 2 months, not 1 year. 1 year, my parents, corona time, nightly did my parents, thank you, mom and dad. They did me in rehabilitation center. I am very caring in rehabilitation center. Food and everything. Everyone is outside like a coronavirus suffering. I am not suffering for coronavirus because my parents is safely joined to hospital.
Yes. Tell some more to your life. What? Tell some more your life.
Tell some words about my life. My life is very happy. I am like a entertainment guy. I am like a fighting guy. I am like a everything. But sad guy also because my love. When my love is come, I can be full happy. I want to see my love will come.
Okay. Some your videos, they have some comments.
Yeah.
One comment I saw. What is this comment? Some vulgarity comment.
Yeah. What you thought that comment?
What is that comment? You are waste guy, waste fellow. What your hairstyle? What is that? You want to do decent like a software. You are software, but not software. You are arcade. You are like that thing.
Okay, bro, I am like this only. I am rich guy, bro. Okay, you good guy na? Care your parents. Okay, don't care your parents and don't care your brothers. Care your parents. Okay, you only good guy. We are only bad boy. We are wearing like this. We are bad boy. What are you saying, stupid guy? Pacha, you come and see what I am. Come to my area, whole city, bolte.
Okay, tell me about. They have one some girl. They propose to you.
Yeah.
You accept or reject?
Not upset.
Why?
Not upset.
Why?
Because I have already broken. Already name is there in my heart. If you see this heart, you will only say break up. That girl only will say, already my love is there, name here. He will only say.
Okay,
Another girl.
What you drink? Cold drinks. Your favorite cold drinks? Tea,
My favorite drink, cold drink, soft drink,
chai,
Mountain Dew.
mountain.
Only Mountain Dew and a thing, one tapet and thing, but not drinking now.
In biryani, which biryani you like? Fish biryani, mutton biryani, pork biryani, prawns biryani. Which biryani more like?
I like only chicken biryani and a chicken mandi and a prawn mandi.
Prawns one.
Mandi.
Okay.
Loyal mandi. Loyal mandi.
Loyal man. Okay, guys, this is some English interview. See some spelling mistakes you correct and do. Last one time tell your followers, your fans, your subscribers, all one word to tell.
Everyone, okay, like me and follow me, comment me, share to your friends. My Instagram ID is Psychotono307 and this brother YouTube channel also. Please subscribe and you want to see anytime notification, you put the orange bell.